Ocado's automated fulfillment centers achieve a density of 65,000 storage locations per 10,000 square meters. The core engineering challenge is coordinating over 1,000 bots simultaneously on a two-dimensional plane. Each bot must handle 50 items per hour, requiring sub-millisecond communication latency to prevent gridlock. This high-density, high-throughput system is the foundation of the Ocado Smart Platform, or OSP. The system must manage the dynamic movement of inventory, ensuring that high-demand items are always accessible within the top layers of the storage matrix. This efficiency directly translates into reduced operational expenditure and faster order fulfillment times for retail partners. The physical grid structure serves as both the storage medium and the transport layer. It is constructed from lightweight aluminum rails forming a checkerboard pattern. Standardized totes, typically 600 by 400 millimeters, are stacked up to 21 deep within the grid cells. This vertical stacking minimizes the required floor space, a critical factor for locating fulfillment centers near dense urban populations. The grid design incorporates embedded bus bars, which deliver power directly to the bots, eliminating the need for time-consuming battery swaps during operational hours. This continuous power supply is essential for maintaining the required 99.9% uptime. Each bot weighs approximately 60 kilograms and is capable of horizontal speeds up to 4 meters per second. Power is drawn from the bus bars using contact shoes, which transfer direct current to the bot's internal systems and motors. The lifting mechanism is a specialized claw designed to engage the standardized tote handle. When an item is required, the bot lifts the target tote one level above the stack, allowing it to traverse the grid without disturbing adjacent stacks. The bot's movement is controlled by 4 independent drive wheels, enabling precise positioning and rapid acceleration across the aluminum tracks.
The entire fleet of bots is managed by a centralized control system, often referred to as the brain. Communication relies on a proprietary mesh network operating in the 5 GHz band, specifically engineered to achieve round-trip latency below 10 milliseconds. Standard Wi-Fi or cellular networks cannot meet this stringent latency requirement, necessary for collision avoidance at high speeds. The brain calculates every bot's path and slot assignment, ensuring deterministic movement across the grid. Localized decision-making by individual bots is minimized, preventing the chaotic behavior associated with decentralized swarm systems. Pathfinding utilizes time-space graphs to reserve specific grid coordinates for specific time intervals. This deterministic reservation system guarantees zero collisions, even when the grid operates at saturation levels exceeding 90%. The algorithm prioritizes minimizing bot travel distance while maximizing the flow of totes to the picking stations, known as the hole. If a bot deviates from its assigned time-space path, the central controller immediately halts its movement and recalculates the paths of all affected neighboring bots. This real-time recalculation capability is crucial for maintaining continuous throughput during unexpected events. Order assembly begins when the system identifies the required stock-keeping units. Bots retrieve the totes containing these items and deliver them to the picking stations. Human pickers then transfer the items into customer-specific order totes. The system employs dynamic slotting, automatically relocating high-velocity items to the upper layers of the grid. This strategic placement reduces the vertical travel time required for retrieval, optimizing the overall pick rate. Conversely, slow-moving inventory is stored deeper in the stacks, maximizing the utilization of the entire storage volume.
Ocado transitioned from a pure online retailer to a technology provider by licensing the OSP globally to major grocery retailers, including Kroger and Casino. The business model involves 2 primary revenue streams. First, partners pay upfront capital expenditure for the physical construction and installation of the automated fulfillment center grid. Second, Ocado charges ongoing software-as-a-service fees, calculated based on the throughput volume and gross sales generated by the center. This recurring revenue model provides stable, high-margin income, decoupling Ocado's profitability from direct retail competition. Ocado maintains a significant competitive advantage through extensive intellectual property protection. Key patents cover the unique grid architecture, the specific design of the bot lifting mechanism, and the proprietary time-space reservation algorithms used for swarm control. These patents create substantial barriers to entry for potential competitors attempting to replicate the high-density, high-throughput performance of the OSP. The legal protection ensures that the technological lead translates directly into market exclusivity for automated grocery fulfillment solutions. System reliability is ensured through N+1 redundancy across the bot fleet and control servers. If a bot experiences a mechanical failure, the central system identifies the fault and dispatches neighboring operational bots to push the failed unit to a designated maintenance bay. This automated recovery process minimizes disruption to the grid flow. The modular design allows for hot swapping of components, ensuring that maintenance personnel can quickly replace faulty parts without requiring a full system shutdown. This focus on redundancy is critical for meeting the stringent service level agreements required by retail partners. Future development focuses on increasing density and reducing energy consumption per item picked. Ocado is developing lighter, faster bot models, such as the 600 series, which require less power and can accelerate more rapidly. Research is also concentrated on integrating automated handling for non-standard items, such as fresh produce and delicate goods, which currently require specialized manual intervention. The long-term goal involves fully automating the entire fulfillment process, from receiving inventory to final dispatch, further optimizing the capital efficiency of the automated centers.